Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with yet another video on how we can manually download Windows subsystem for Linux without going to Microsoft Store. So before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. Without getting delayed, let's get started. To install the Windows subsystem for Linux, we need to go to this link, which I will give on the description. And when you scroll down, you can see the number of distros that are available here. You can see the Ubuntu, different versions of Ubuntu, Debian, GNU Linux, Kali Linux, and other different versions. So I'm going to show you how we can install these distros without going through Microsoft Store. So today we will install this Debian GNU Linux. So simply click on this link. It will download a file on the format of .appx package. So click on the link and choose the location. For example, I'm going to choose C drive, users, Puranjan Acharya. Okay, so the download has been completed. Now to install it, we need to just give a simple command which is available right here. This command should be given through PowerShell. Go to your start and search for PowerShell. Open this Windows PowerShell. Go to this command, copy this command, paste it, erase this name, type D and tab. The package will be automatically detected. Now hit enter. The installation is begun. The installation has been completed. Guys, one important thing that we need to remember is that the working directory of PowerShell and the file location of this file must be same. If there is different, please make it same. Either you can change the location from here using cd command, or simply you can copy the downloaded file to this location on your My Computer. The package has been installed. Now let's check it out. Debian GNU Linux has been added. Click on it. You can see that the installation has begun. Give your Unix username. I will type my name. Give the password. Retype the password. You should always remember this password, as this password is always required when you want to switch to root user. The installation has been completed, and you might get a problem right here. If you are not allowed to install, or if you just press a key and this window disappears, that means you have not enabled a feature in Windows feature option. For that, just check, go to start, type turn Windows feature on or off, and make sure that this option is always checked, Windows subsystem for Linux. In this way, you can install the given distros like Ubuntu or Debian or Kali Linux or Fedora without using Microsoft Store. If you are having problem in installation with these distros, you can simply follow this method, which is very easy. This is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and share it among your friends. Thank you very much.